Let's talk about notations of multiplication. When we multiply 2 times 3, we've been using this big ol' X sign. A lot of times, you will see 2 small dot 3. This is also a notation of multiplication. We'll use this when we start using variables later. Most of the time, we'll express 2 times 3 as 2, 3, and no notations at all. When you see numbers put together or 2 variables put together without any signs in between, that means that is a multiplication. Let's talk about signs. When you multiply 2 numbers with the same sign, like positive, positive, or negative number times a negative number, you get a positive result. When you multiply 2 numbers with the different signs, positive number times a negative number, or negative times positive, you get a negative result. This looks familiar. We've talked about this briefly when we talk about adding in the previous video. The same rules apply. Let's do some examples. 2 times negative 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and the signs are different. 2 is positive and 3 is negative, so you get negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. How about 2 times negative 3 times 4? 2 times 3 is a negative 6. Negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. So you get a negative answer. Negative 1 times negative 2 times 3. These two will give you a positive answer. And positive number times positive number, you get a positive number. Negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 3. These two will make a positive, and positive times negative, you get a negative answer. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 2. These two will make a positive answer. Positive negative gives you negative. Negative negative gives you a positive. So can you see the pattern here? If you have an odd number of negative sign, you get negative answer. If you have even number of negative signs, then you get a positive answer. The same rule applies to divisions. If you have odd number of negative signs, you get negative answer. If you have even number of negative signs, you get a positive answer. So 10 divided by negative 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. There's only one negative sign, so you get negative 5. Negative 10 divided by negative 2, 2 negative signs, so you get a positive answer, which is 5. The same rule applies to the mixture of multiplications and divisions. For example, let's say you have 5 times negative 4 divided by negative 2 times negative 3. You have 3 numbers with negative signs, so you get a negative answer. We'll talk about these kinds of problems in another video.